What's going on YouTube? JML's here, and in this video we're going to do a quick look at the iPhone 15 Pro in the white titanium finish. I'm going to have access to a few more colors, so when I get them, I'm going to do another video just showing off the colors, as this year the color palette is a little different than what we're used to on other iPhones. So I'm going to get my hands on the blue one and the natural titanium color. So when I do, I'll make a separate video showing off those colors as best I can. But for now, we're going to do a quick unboxing of the white titanium iPhone 15 Pro. All the unboxing experience is going to be the same for all the iPhones, so in the next video I won't do unboxing of those, I'll just show the colors. But for now, let's just go ahead and get into the box. So it's basically the typical Apple packaging, nothing really new here. And there you see you're greeted with the iPhone itself. As you see, it's the white back, and then the sides are going to be that gray titanium. As you know, the titanium is new to this lineup, completely new, so the color is going to be a little different. So let's go ahead and take off the sticker and show the phone a little bit. Unlike other years, this year the color palette's a bit muted, especially on the Pro line, more than likely because of the titanium. But that's another new change there. As you see, it's USB-C to USB-C. That is a brand new feature for this phone. All of the iPhone 15s get it. Keep in mind, though, that if you get the Pro models, the USB-C cable is going to be the 2.0 variant. So if you want to take advantage of the data speed, you have to buy a separate cable that matches the 3.0 capabilities. So keep that in mind. We're going to power on the phone. As mentioned before, the color palette's rather muted, so that's the only reason I'm really showing it off is thanks to the titanium, it's harder to get color to work with it, so the colors aren't as vibrant as previous models. And that pretty much wraps it up. I hope you like what you saw, and then stay tuned for the other color videos when I have that available. And I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.